welcome to the final session of the guided meditation course for beginners. This final meditation is focused on the concept of forgiveness. To start, find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably. And gently close your eyes. Allow your breath to flow naturally. Let your body and mind relax. Breathing gently in, allowing your lungs to expand fully. Feel the breath filling you with life and abundance. Open your heart and allow yourself to feel all the suffering and pain you have kept there for so long. Envision all the times that you have hurt or harmed someone, knowingly or unknowingly. Realize that you were acting from a place filled with fear, confusion, and pain. Now visualize yourself holding each person's hand and extending your apologies. Tell them, I regret the pain I have caused you. I ask for your forgiveness and extend my unconditional love to you. So that you may fully heal. Now I want you to remember all the times that you have hurt, neglected, harmed, or abandoned yourself. I want you to imagine yourself from the third person, standing next to yourself. Now walk up to you and give yourself a hug. And say, I apologize for the pain I caused you. I ask for your forgiveness. I love you unconditionally. Continue to hold yourself and allow inner healing to flow through you. Throughout your life, you have been harmed by others, whether it be through their thoughts, words, or actions. Allow the feelings of sadness, loneliness, and heartbreak to bubble to the surface. Understand that they too were acting from an unhealed place of confusion. When you are ready, look them in the eye and say, I forgive you. I allow myself to fully heal from these occurrences. I extend my unconditional love to you. I am now ready to let go. Continue doing this until you feel freed from all grudges or resentments. Let us now bring our focus back to the breath. Allow your breath to flow naturally in and out. With each breath in, your heart is opening up to a state of healing. With each breath out, let go of the hurt. Feel how the walls you have built around your heart start crumbling. They slowly dissipate into dust. The dust gets carried away by the wind. And all that is left is a new, lighter you. Your heart feels joyful and healthy. You are full of love. You are healed. You are free. When you are ready, you may open your eyes. Welcome back. Remember that this exercise is available to you anytime you need it. I would like to extend my gratitude to each of you for joining me in this course. Much love and light, Mora.